Abhyaan? Abhyaan? Where did he go? He told me he would be here. Looks like he left a message for me. Oh, this is so confusing. Hey friends, I'm trying to understand Abhyaan's message. Help me with this. Great. Let's see. Dear Riva? Huh? Did you just call me a dear? Why did he call me a deer? I'm not a deer. Oh dear, I'm so confused. Wait a minute. It's not D-E-E-R, dear, but D-E-A-R, dear. D-E-E-R is an animal, while D-E-A-R means someone close to you. Dear and dear are homophones. Homophones are words with the same pronunciation, but different spellings and meanings. And that means... That's much better. What do you think? Awesome! Now, the next line is see you at the beach. That doesn't make any sense. How can you S-E-A see someone? See is not a verb. Oh, he spelled this word wrong too. Of course, S-E-A-C is a large body of water, while S-E-E-C means to meet someone. C and C are homophones too. That's much better. What do you think? Awesome! Now, here he says in one R, with R spelled as O-U-R. This means something that belongs to us. I think he meant H-O-U-R-R, which is 60 minutes. Now that makes a lot more sense. Let's read Abhyaan's correct message. Dear Riva, see you at the beach in 1 hour. I have got sandwiches today. Oh, he wants to share his sandwiches with me. How nice of him. Well, I should get going now. Maybe I'll buy some juice to have with the sandwiches. BYE. Bye.